Backtesting POI code for stop loss and take profit with fixed percentage or trailing ATR. Some of the viewers asked about how to set stop loss and take profit targets while using the Python module Backtesting POI. In this video I will show how to use these both as fixed percentage and as multiples of average true range ATR. I will only show the code inside the strategy class. I assume you know how to get the data. You may want to check out my introduction video, Backtesting POI. Fixed percentage. Here's the complete code. I'll give you a few seconds to look at, then I'll explain it in detail. For long positions, the stop loss variable is the percentage we want to set the stop loss to. The take profit variable is the percentage we want to set the take profit target to. Then the actual values for each trade is calculated using the close price for that bar. These formulas show how the code uses the parameters to set the stop loss and take profit values. Pay attention to the signs. Stop loss and take profit have different signs. For stop loss the sign is negative, whereas for take profit the sign is positive, because we are in a long position. For short positions the same variables and same relationships. Pay attention to the signs again. This time stop loss has positive sign and take profit has negative sign. Look closely to the highlighted part of the code now. We use the buy method with SL and TP arguments. We also use the sell method using the SL and TP arguments. ATR. Here is the code for using multiples of ATR. Again, let me give you a few seconds to look at it. There are a few differences in this code compared to the fixed percentage. We have two new variables and a new indicator. NSL is the multiple of ATR we want to set for stop loss. NTP is the multiple of ATR we want to set for take profit. Inside the init method we define self.atr. This is going to get the ATR values from tailib library. Then we loop through each trade in the next method. Let's look at the code more closely. If the trade is long, we set the stop loss to the maximum value of either the existing stop loss value for the trade or minus infinity or the calculated trailing ATR multiple, whichever is the maximum. In the calculation of the trailing ATR, pay attention to the sign. It is minus. We do something very similar for the take profit. This time, the sign is plus. If the trade is short, this time we set the stop loss to the minimum value of either the stop loss of the existing trade or plus infinity or the calculated trailing ATR multiple, whichever is the minimum. Again, pay attention to the sign. It's positive. In the take profit for short position, we need to be careful. We have a condition which says the take profit cannot be less than 0. Otherwise, the script is going to throw an error. This may be important in backtesting, especially for longer periods. So we set the take profit to be the minimum value of either the existing take profit value or plus infinity or the calculated ATR multiple, whichever is the least. Again, pay attention to the sign. It is negative. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and please like and subscribe.